Hello, hello! If you would like to join me for a boxing of my newest Moterm cover, then stay tuned. Backstory. So I had posted a video not all that long ago about getting back into using my Hobo Weeks, which seems to be going really well. I have been enjoying it, kind of using it as a weekly overview planner and just taking it around with me so that I'm leaving my heavy, chunky B6 planner here on my desk. Originally, I said I just was going to keep it in its plastic cover, but I have decided that it would be nice just to have a little bit more storage with it, because with the Hobo Weeks one, you really don't get a whole lot. So I contemplated a lot of things, and I actually almost, and I say almost, it's a whole thing. But I just about got a Janet Leather undyed codex. So on Monday the 9th of May, I thought it was the 10th. And I went onto the website and placed an order for a codex thinking, oh, this is the codex sale and I'm getting a codex today because it's the 10th. And it was the 9th. So I emailed Petra and told her, thinking that maybe they could just port my order into the next day so that everything would be done. And she said, no, we can't do that. They canceled my order and refunded me. This was now on the 10th, the morning of the 10th. And I was waiting for my refund, and stuff was coming through, and went out and did chores, came back in, and they were sold out. So needless to say, no undyed Janet Leather Weeks Codex for me, because I'm not waiting 10 to 12 weeks for one of those. I'm already waiting way too long for my Liaison, and that is a whole nother debacle. But anyway, so I, for temporary purposes, ordered a Moterm instead. So that was a long intro to get into it, but that's basically where I'm at. So Moterm now does send their covers with this nice box. Love this one so much better than the original Moterm box. So kudos to whoever had this idea to kind of go with one of these boxes, because it was so annoying to try and get planners back into those other boxes. So definitely like that. Also comes with the little velvety bags, so those are nice too. You could use this to bring, shove your planner in a planner bag and whatnot. So okay, let's pull it out and see if we like it. So I decided to go with a pretty neutral color, and let me zoom out a little bit more. I went with what they call taupe, and I ordered this directly from Amazon. So it's pretty simple. I mean, y'all have seen these Moterm covers. They come with the two poppers in the front, and their leather is very pebbly. Usually it's a bit chemically smelling. Let me smell it. Just a wee. So yes, it does have a bit of a leathery and a bit of a chemically smell, but that does tend to go away. At least it has for me. And then it just kind of smells like leather. So yeah, it is soft, definitely soft. At least this one is pebbled evenly all over, as you can see, which is really nice. I prefer either all even pebbles or none at all. That's kind of how I roll. So let's just see if and I'm not really sure how well it's gonna work, but I wanna see if I can get the cover uncover in here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, I wasn't sure if that was gonna work, and it does very nicely. Yay! Because I've had some like the variations were just enough, and these things drive me nuts. I really don't like I don't like bookmarks, but that's okay. That's just me. I don't think I'll cut them out just because I have commitment issues, but I definitely am not like a huge bookmark fan anymore. I used to be, but not anymore. So, sorry, bunny trail. Some of the covers I've had issues with getting a cover uncover in because literally like when they were manufactured just a hair off, and I couldn't get them in. But that one actually, it fits really nicely. So, so this is just a standard Weeks that I have. It is not the mega, but this is a pretty thick, wide, I should say, cover. So I think a mega bulked up would still fit in here really nicely. So it does have the pocket here, and it has more of that like vinyl-y material. It has 5 slip pockets, not slip pockets, card pockets, and then another front pocket there, and the back is a like little mini secretarial, an actual slip pocket, and then the slip pocket that the book slides into. And then you have, of course, your big back pocket there. So pretty simple, but really a nice cover. And I do enjoy, these days I am really enjoying just sort of like a neutral tone, neutral theme. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna I might use this one now. This pen I actually purchased for my Alazon. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, just because I think that it would go nicely with that one that comes in, but it kind of goes nicely with this. So, and then the other one I wanted to just see, and so their pen loops are pretty thick, as you can see there. They're pretty thick. So I wanted to see if this is another one that I purchased for my Alazon, I'm not sure how to say it. I really don't know. Is this pocket pen, which is a Quaco, and this is just like a beige one. Ooh, that really looks good. I like that. That's really cute. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Unfortunately, I'm still waiting for my order from Goulet Pens for my converter. I had a really hard time finding the converters for those little buggers. So yeah, I ordered from Goulet, and of course I got some inks too, because I can't just order something small. Like it has to be like a $50 order, right? That's how it goes when you're ordering from Goulet Pens, because you can get some really cool ink samples that you can try. I really like that. So I'm not gonna go super crazy with putting stuff in the pockets, but yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it more than I thought I was gonna like it, because I really thought I was gonna get it and send it back. I'm being real. I'm being honest. I was like, I'm gonna get this thing and I'm gonna hate it, and then I'm gonna send it back. But actually, it's pretty nice. I'm really liking this neutral color. I had one of these in the B6 and I just couldn't love it. It was a bit overly squishy, if that makes any sense. And this one just seems a little bit better. And I don't know. And it was actually pretty smooth, which for whatever reason, I couldn't bond with that cover, and I sold it. I liked the color, but the physical, like the physical touch of a leather, am I crazy? Because it's important to me. I don't know, but it is. I don't know. So I don't know. I may change out, just because I'm kind of going more neutrally, I may change out the paper on my Hobo Weeks to just make it a little more neutral, so it's like a theme. But we'll see. I like playing with that, and I like playing with the different papers, because then it really allows me to be a bit creative with my Hobonichi Weeks without committing. So I literally just slide extra paper in here, and I have so much extra paper that it's, you know, pretty endless on what I can use it for. So yeah, I'm liking it. I will say that I do have an Eternal Leather Goods natural on order with Colin, and mostly I did that because I really wanted that undyed, and I didn't want to wait 10 to 12 weeks through Vanderspec. So I just decided to go ahead and do Eternal Leather Goods because I've had a standard in his before, and it's absolutely gorgeous leather. But I'm probably still going to keep this one because I might need a second Hobonichi Weeks for a different purpose, for a volunteering job that I'm going to be doing, where I'm going to need a separate a separate planner for scheduling. So but yeah, so this is the Moterm taupe in the Hobonichi Weeks. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!